Hi everyone, so today I'm just gonna go pick up some lunch pretty much and hang out with my son. It's Sunday, so I'm gonna make it my son's day. Sunday on Sunday. It's Sunday and it's gonna be me and him. So I'm just gonna pick up a little Indian food, a little cuisine, see how he likes it, and then we're gonna do some fun activities. Just living life and taking things day by day, one day at a time, and just enjoy my time off because, you know, the work day starts again on Monday, and just trying to dance my way through life. The acronym I tell y'all, DANCE, dealing and navigating choices effectively. All right, we'll see what's popping with this. So I read about this tip where you're supposed to use foil balls in the dryer because it helps to reduce static. I've never done this before, so I'm gonna try it. So here's a little tip for you guys, in case you guys want to try it too. Let me know what you think. So I'm going to put the foil balls, all right, in here. I'm just going to toss them in. I'll be static free. I wonder, does that work on hair? Anyway. Well, I'll let that do what it do, and hopefully no static will come through. But if it does, so sue me. At least I'm trying something new that I'm reading. Well, here I am at the so here I am at the playground, taking my son for a little. I'm not really feeling it today. I'm just kind of like, that's how my mood is. We all have our down moments, but you know what? It's all about not staying down. It's about getting back up when you have them. And even though I might be down for a minute, I'm gonna come back with a vengeance. Not sure when, but let me help my little homie out because he's over here struggling. This is his first time riding his brand new scooter for Christmas. I have another tip for you guys too. Have a pack of thank you cards in your car. You never know when you might need them. It may sound crazy, but keep them in the dashboard. I think that's a really good tip. I had to say thank you to a few people at my job, and I kept meaning to get thank you cards, forgot them, but went ahead and bought a pack, and then, you know, I have some spare left over. I'm gonna keep them around just in case. You know, never know when you want to say thank you. I don't think it's a bad idea to get a pack of them just to keep there if you have the time. What happened to the good old-fashioned dollar store? I used to love me spending a good old hard-earned dollar. Now it's the $1.25 store. Why they gotta make things so complicated? They need to change it to the $1.25 tree. Not the Dollar Tree then. It's gonna be like that. They don't come whole anymore? That's how they do them? Come on, Bryce. I was asking myself, my son, why didn't they call it the $1.25 tree? Now it's the Dollar Tree. Since everything's $1.25.
Yeah.
No, I just want that one. Yeah, it's not fair. Why do they change it?
No idea. You just start working here a week and a half ago.
Basically, you want me to shut up with my shit. This is not your problem.
I don't be knowing what be going on. I just work.
You just work.
All that like rules stuff, I just follow it.
Yeah, when it comes to $1.20, $1.50, when they start changing things to $1.50 and they don't change the sign to the $1.50 tree, then I'm a protest. I'm coming out with my signs. You heard it first.
I mean, you still getting everything cheaper than like.
I know. I'm just protesting to be a bitch. You too. And just when you think you have issues, so shh, quiet. So I was going to go get gas, but I don't think it's safe. And he's also like just wandering around loosely and it doesn't look good. Bryce, please stop laughing. I'm doing a YouTube video. Oh no, maybe he, okay. I thought he was a crazy person and he got in the car. So maybe he's not crazy. God bless him though. It's very sad. It can make you stressed out, these things in life, you know. You just gotta kind of talk things through. You have to be very, very safe when you're traveling and everything. You know, I don't even know why I was even scared to begin with. I have my son here. So, hey, you back there, son, if an insane person tried to get your mom, what would you do?
I would be standing there